What's up everyone, and welcome to Robeytech, where I, Justin Robey, aka Robey1 Kenobi, talk tech with you wonderful people. In other news of things I didn't know I needed, and still don't think I need, but I'm very much wanting to try, Samsung released their invisible keyboard tech that looks interesting in a video, but in real world, I'm not sure how this is gonna work. Called Selfie Type, it takes the camera from your tablet or phone and uses AI to look at your hands and fingers as if you were typing on a keyboard with them. Now, no weird laser keyboard that gets projected on the table, just you sitting there doing the magic typing hand thing. I swear I'm typing useful stuff. Selfie Type uses a standard QWERTY layout and doesn't require anything extra, just your hands. While this could be an option for people that don't want to carry around a Bluetooth keyboard or find them to be less than satisfactory, a lot of people really like the feel of a keyboard when they can type on, but we'll see if this catches on. Now let us know what you thought about the CES coverage this year and CES in general in the comments below. Now while you're down there, be sure to slap that subscribe button, whip that like button, and ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video. Also, head on over to mixer.com/Robey1Kenobi and give us a follow over there for our live show every Wednesday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific. Also, be sure to drop us a follow over on Twitter and Instagram at Robey1Kenobi. And hey, we're on Facebook. Hello, 1984. We're over on Facebook at facebook.com/Robeytech. Thank you so much for watching. Now, go play some games or go look at some weird tech because there's lots more CES coverage coming up. #BeefyCores.